Hi, Wendy Kirkland here. I'm so excited to be able to speak with you today and introduce you to something brand new that I am doing. I have a new service that trades the NASDAQ, the S&P, and the Russell. So that is the Qs, SPY, and IWM. It trades these three indices on a variety of time frame charts. And the reason that that is so exciting is, in a sense, it includes all of the major companies. It includes all of the technology companies that are in the NASDAQ. It includes the stable companies that we all know that are in the S&P, and then it covers the newer companies that are reliable and they now are selling stocks and so on, but they are younger companies. The Russell manages like 2,000 different smaller corporations. So it is an awesome variety of equities that it does not include the Dow, and the reason for that, and the reason I have this here to be able to speak about it, is the fact that, in a sense, the Dow carries all of these others within it, and so it would be a duplication. So what I have come up with is a service that focuses on the Qs, which is primarily technology, the S&P, and IWM, which is the newer companies. So let me take you a little bit further here into a chart and be able to show you. So this is SPY, and this is, again, a daily chart for the equity that we are going to be trading in this service. And you can see that it has for a while been on an uptrend and then has had some little periods, a couple days where it pulls back, and recently it has been flat this last week. So what I have designed is a service that buys calls, buys puts on SPY, and then also the Qs and IWM. Within that service, it comes with a book that teaches you how to read charts, how we are going to be trading these equities, not just on daily charts, but also 60 and 30-minute charts. And so if you look, you can see that this creates a whole different picture. That here it rose one day and then it has been down for 2 days, where on the daily chart it just kind of looked flat. You can see that up, 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 and then 3 days down. So it focuses on a variety of charts. Like I said, I mentioned the weekly, daily, 60-minute, and 30-minute. Let me switch this to the Qs so that, again, that you can see all three equities that we will be focusing on. This is the NASDAQ, the Qs. And so, again, now this is a 30-minute chart. You can see how it's been up, up, then pulled back a couple days, back up again. This creates tradable patterns that you can get into where you're not day trading. You could be in here. This was like a week, 6 days, 5 days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 days, down 2 days, and then had some swings. So in addition to EMAs and the simple picture, there is a variety of indicators that are used to help us zero in on supporting the movement. Let me go ahead and put in IWM, so you can see that as well. Totally different picture. Been heading down below the 55, this pink line. Down, 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 down. Again, it trades, and I'll emphasize this again, weekly charts, daily charts, 60-minute charts, and 30-minute charts. And so that we zero in on the patterns that are forming and playing out. You can look back here in the 21st of November through the 26th. Up, 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 up. Went down here from 229 up here to 244. And that is an awesome, awesome move. And then since then, it has been heading down. The EMAs crossed down here and are heading down. And so again, this is all information that is covered. We trade the Qs, SPY, and IWM in a variety of time frame charts. And so it is a lovely, actionable service and covers, for the most part, all the equities within the stock market, but they are consolidated into these 3 ETFs. I'm just excited to share this with you. Hope that it is just perfect for your desire of what you're looking for as far as involvement in trading. And I will see you as this proceeds. Take care. Bye now.
Hi there and welcome. I'm excited to share something extraordinary with you today. A brand new options trading service called First Strike Trade Alerts, designed by the renowned Wendy Kirkland. If you've been searching for a smart, stress-free way to approach options trading, this program might just be your perfect fit. Stay tuned because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how it works and how you can start taking advantage of Wendy's proven methodology. Before we begin, here's an important disclaimer. Trading involves significant risk, and it's possible to lose money. The information in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always consult with a financial professional before making any trading decisions. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Now that we've got that covered, let's dive into the First Strike Trade Alert service and what makes it so unique. The First Strike Trade Alert service is based on a strategy that uses multiple time frame analysis, including weekly, daily, 60-minute, 30-minute, and even 10-minute charts. Here's the core idea. The system identifies a technical pattern called the P3 for long trades or P3.5 for short trades. These patterns occur when an equity chart begins moving into stage 4 confirmation of an ADX cross, signaling a potential new trend. By zeroing in on this stage of market movement, the system avoids those frustrating, indecisive moves that often trigger stop losses. Instead, it focuses on strong directional moves that offer higher profit potential. First Strike Trade Alerts focuses exclusively on the 3 major ETF markets, QQQ, SPY, and IWM. This ensures liquidity and the ability to execute trades efficiently. Here's how a typical trade works. Wendy and her team analyze market conditions and identify setups that meet the P3 or P3.5 criteria. Once a trade is ready, subscribers receive a direct alert via email or text. For example, action, buy to open, BTO, symbol QQQ, option strike, 405 call, expiring December 16th, limit price, $9.10. Trades typically last between 5 to 10 days, depending on the market trend. On average, you can expect 6 to 10 trades per month, although that may vary with market conditions. When you subscribe to First Strike Trade Alerts, you'll receive a welcome email with all the details and downloads you need to get started, daily alerts sent directly to your email or phone along with position updates and market recaps, access to the Kirkland support team where you can ask questions about the markets or the methodology, educational materials including digital books and videos that explain the entry and exit rules Wendy uses, weekly newsletters and Wendy's digital trade planning manual, Lunch with Wendy sessions on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, which are recorded for your convenience. The option to use third-party registered brokers if you'd rather not self-trade. And of course, direct access to the FFR trading team who are here to support you every step of the way. Let's talk about results. From January 3rd, 2023 to November 6th, 2024, the First Strike Trade Alerts program achieved the following. Net profit, $126,849. Win rate, 85%. Average monthly return, 76%. Return on capital, 1,691%. These results are based on a starting balance of $7,500, making this program accessible to traders with small or mid-sized accounts. Pretty impressive, right? But that's not all. Let's talk about how you can get started with First Strike Trade Alerts and the exclusive bonus Wendy has for you today. If you subscribe today, you'll not only get access to the First Strike Trade Alert service, but you'll also receive Wendy's digital trade planning manual and her Lunch with Wendy educational sessions. If you're ready to take your options trading to the next level with First Strike Trade Alerts, don't wait. Call FFR Trading now at 800-883-0524 or call our direct line at 737-292-4425 to speak with one of our strategists. On behalf of Wendy Kirkland and the entire FFR trading team, thank you for watching. We can't wait to see you as part of the First Strike Trade Alerts community. Join First Strike Trade Alerts today.